gotta stop meeting like this. Welcome to Alternate Dimension 3811, or better known as Beard Guy Workshop, and I'm Ron. In today's video, I managed to get my hands on something I've really been searching far and wide for. It seemed almost like it's impossible to kind of find. Maybe just for me, maybe for other woodworkers it's easy, but I finally got my hands on some bamboo. I've really been wanting to work with bamboo, just to, something different, other than just, the materials that I commonly work with or other woodworkers tend to work with. I see bamboo in small quantities, like at your local markets and stuff like that, where it's like paper thin cutting boards and stuff like that. I wanted to get my hands on some actual bamboo lumber. So I finally got my hands on some. Got in touch with a source, and they had some scraps. I expected the scraps, and they pretty much were good to go. So got my hands on them, and today I'll be working with some bamboo. But I'm not just making a bamboo cutting board. I'm making my very first charcuterie board. So pretty exciting. I can honestly say I'm excited. I've been wanting to make a charcuterie board ever since I laid my eyes on one strolling through, I wouldn't say trolling, but strolling through Pinterest, and I saw some beautiful ones made from various variety of different materials. But I definitely wanted to get my hands on some bamboo, and I did. So let's not waste any time. I'm actually want to just jump right into this. So let's jump right into it. was a great project. It pretty much was cut and dry. Really wasn't, wasn't no like astrophysics anything. It was a cut and dry project. It's good to have some of those like simple projects you can just kind of relax and coast through. I enjoy all my projects, but at times, things can get a little stressful, which is nothing wrong with stress. Makes you stronger. But yeah, it was just a nice little kind of breeze project to kind of just kick my feet up, so to speak. Not it doesn't really involve too much thinking. Only with the acrylic template, I really wanted to kind of just be careful. You can't get any do-overs. I messed that up. That's back to the drawing board, so to speak. But it worked out, and I have some scraps left over, so I definitely will be making, you guessed it, a bamboo cutting board. I'll probably post some pictures up on Instagram dealing with the bamboo, but definitely with the charcuterie board, I will post a few pictures of that. It's pretty much it. I love working with these templates. Oh, and by the way, I believe, I'm trying to remember the name of the template. I can't think of it off the top of my head, but I will post a link to their website where I got their template, and they have many more templates, and they also have molds of, you can do various different epoxy resin projects and things of that nature if you want to. And I definitely will be doing one of those in the future. I'm trying to think. I think that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this project. And yeah, keep your head on the swivel. Be careful out there. Build something, make it happen. Do the work. And I'm out of here. Peace. I'm out.
We first find love. We hope it's never ending. When the sun starts to set, we see the good and ends of things. Funny how a fresh coat of paint can symbolize a new beginning, and the dropping of a hat can express one's urgency.